Hi guys, this is another lesson on idiom. As you may know, idioms are used in everyday conversation, hence it becomes essential to know about idioms as they help you sound like a native speaker. Today's idiom is from A to B. It means from one place to another. Example 1. In the olden days, camels were used as a means of getting from A to B. It means that camels were used as a means of getting from one place to another in the olden days. Example 2. Dave doesn't care what a car looks like as long as it gets him from A to B. It means Dave doesn't care what a car looks like as long as it gets him from one place to another. Example 3. Uber drivers can now work out the quickest route from A to B using the Uber software. It means Uber drivers can now work out the quickest route from one place to another using the Uber software. Example 4. We have to go from A to B marketing this product. It means that we have to go from one place to another marketing this product. Example 5. Our feet support our body weight all day and gets us from A to B. It means our feet gets us from one place to another. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video with a new idiom.